Today we are going to make taro root or arvi in mutton gravy. We also call it ghuyyon ka Saalan. Ingredients for which are in a pressure cooker, heat half cup of oil, add ginger garlic paste to it and saute it nicely. Now add 300 grams of mutton to it. Saute the mutton pieces nicely till it changes its color. Now add half cup of onion paste to it. Saute it nicely. Roast the onions nicely till the moisture is evaporated. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander seed powder and mix everything nicely. Roast the masalas very nicely till the oil separates. Add salt to taste. Add half cup of water. Mix it nicely. We have to pressure cook the mutton pieces till they are soft and tender. Cover the lid and take 2 whistles and slow down the flame for 5 minutes. Let us check on our mutton. The mutton is almost done. We will add taro root or arvi to it. We will roast it for few minutes and after that we will add the water and pressure cook the taro root or arvi as well. Now everything is roasted very nicely. The oil has separated. Add hot water, adjusting the consistency of the gravy. Oil. Now cover the lid and pressure cook it till the taro roots are nice and tender. Let us quickly check on our taro root or arvi. It is perfectly done. Now add fried onion and whole spices paste, some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now it is ready. Mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our taro root or arvi in mutton gravy is ready. Garnish it with coriander leaves.